Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OAuth with Tableau to Tableau Server, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect OAuth with Tableau to Tableau Server, begin by accessing your Tableau Server. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Settings section in the Tableau Server interface. Click on the Authentication tab to find the available authentication methods. Select OAuth as the authentication method. You will need to register your application with the OAuth provider you are using. Follow the provider's instructions to create an OAuth application. Make sure to note the client ID and client secret you receive after registration. Return to Tableau Server and enter the client ID and client secret in the appropriate fields. Specify the OAuth endpoint URL provided by your OAuth provider. For some providers, you may also need to configure the token and authorization URL. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click Save. Next, navigate to the User Roles section to manage permissions. Assign appropriate roles to users who will be utilizing OAuth to access Tableau Server. After configuring the roles, test the OAuth integration. Open Tableau Desktop and create a new connection to your data source. In the connection dialog, select the OAuth authentication option. Log in using your OAuth provider credentials when prompted. Verify that you can successfully connect to the data source. Once connected, publish your workbook to Tableau Server. Monitor the server logs for any issues resulting from the integration. Adjust permissions and settings as necessary to ensure smooth operation. Review the documentation provided by your OAuth provider for any updates or additional configurations. Finally, keep your OAuth credentials secure and rotate them regularly to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.